Snow falls soft on an old December street. Church bells echo memories I used to keep. 30 years of waiting, 30 years of scars, counting silent prayers beneath the same old stars. Candles flicker low where faith was once unsure. Hope felt fragile but the promise still endures. But dreams the world said were too late, not knowing love was already on its way. I asked for peace, I asked for light. Never knew you heard me every night. Unexpected love, we're born in holy grace. A Christmas miracle I never thought I'd face. Through decades gone and tears I've known, you found my heart when I felt alone. Unexpected love, like heaven above. Wrapped in prayer, you answered me with love. December nights grow quiet, yet my heart awakes. Every broken season shaped the faith I take. All those years I learned how to believe that what is meant arise when we can finally see. Not in haste, not in perfect time, but when surrender meets the divine. A gentle hand, a hopeful smile, felt like Christmas after a long exile. I asked for strength, I asked for peace, and love appeared so quietly. Unexpected love, born in holy grace. A Christmas miracle I never thought I'd face. Through decades gone and tears I've known, you fed my heart when I felt alone. Unexpected love, like heaven above. Wrapped in prayer, you answered me with love. 30 years, you know, one prayer was lost. Every tear counted, no matter the cost. God writes stories we don't understand until Christmas comes and we see His hand. Unexpected love, stronger than time, a sacred gift, perfectly aligned. In this season of light and grace, I found forever in your embrace. Unexpected love, a miracle true. Christmas found me when it let me you. So here I stand beneath Christmas skies, living proof that hope never dies.